Hi, I am Sonal and I'm going to tell you how to make your videos sound from this.
Welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project.
To this.
Welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project.
Absolutely free. So when you're just starting out on YouTube, not everyone has the best of camera, the best of equipment to make a professional looking video, which is alright, and I think it is not wise to invest so early on in expensive equipment if you don't know you are going to be in it for the long run. But I have noticed that when it comes to video quality, people are willing to let go of the fact that your video is not as professional looking. But when it comes to sound quality, people are just unforgiving. Everybody wants their sound to be perfect, and as a viewer yourself, bad sound is an immediate put off. You would not want to stick onto that video for a long time if the audio is not good, if there is a lot of static, if there is a lot of background noise. So either you switch off all the fans and air conditioner and sweat yourself out to make a video, or you can follow the easy way, which I'm going to show right now. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. I will now be sharing my screen with you. So let's get started. First up, open your Google browser and search for Audacity. It is a free software, it is an open software, and it is a cross-platform software. So you have to click on this link and you will be taken to this page, which has a couple of checks to prove that you are a human and not a computer, and you have to go through these checks. So once this check is complete, you will be taken to this page. All right, and here you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to this link which says download Audacity. It is, again, you can see, a cross-platform for Windows, Mac and Linux. So we will go to this page, download Audacity. Here you again have options for Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm going to download it for Windows. Okay, so once you are at this page, you have to install the Audacity 2.4.2 installer, which is the latest version. And then you will come to this page. Here you have to click on Audacity Windows installer, because I am installing for Windows. If you have a Mac or a Linux, you can choose accordingly. And this is the executable file that is being downloaded. You have to click on it and run. It is the typical executable file. A couple of clicks, next, 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 and install. And we have to wait till it gets installed. Okay, so this is the Audacity interface. This is how it looks. Now you can start using this straight away. If you do voiceovers, you can do voiceovers in Audacity and you can start recording it, and it will kind of give you a nice effect without minimum background noise. So let's just start. You have to press this record button. Hi, welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project, and stop, and let's listen. Hi, welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project. Okay, this is the one way to use Audacity. If you're doing voiceovers, you can directly use this software. Second is audio file. So if you already have an audio file, you can import it from here. See, you have to go to File, Import Audio, and suppose this is the audio file. It will open up like this. All right, and then you can do the noise reduction. Right now I am just telling you about the different interfaces where you can use Audacity. Okay, and let me just get a new one. Okay, now the method in which all of us mostly work, like I shoot my videos and then I use the software to reduce background noise, right? So now you go to import audio and you choose a video. Okay, you choose a video. This is the message you will get the first time, that Audacity attempted to use FFmpeg, but it is not available. All right, And this is a one-time process. You have to install this FFmpeg. You have to download and install it, and after that you can start using your video files directly on Audacity. So let us now see how to install this FFmpeg. Okay, you have to go to Edit, Preferences, and here in Libraries you will see FFmpeg library. Okay, so you have two options, Locate and Download. Leave it here, and then we will be going to Google Chrome. Okay, we will open a site called buanzo.org. I will leave the link in the description box, so you can use that link to go to this page. Now when this page comes, you have to scroll down, and come over here, FFmpeg for Windows and latest Audacity version. Here you have to download this FFmpeg to 2.2.2 binary for Windows. Alright, so click on this. And it will, again, it is an executable file, it will get downloaded. So once this is installed, you have to open this FFmpeg, and again it's an executable file, so you have to kind of install it. Next. I already had one installed. I'm installing it again for this tutorial, so that is why that message popped up. And install and finish. Okay, once you have installed this, you again have to go to Edit, Preferences, Libraries, and Locate. So then you will get this message that Audacity has automatically detected valid FFmpeg libraries. Do you still want to locate them manually? And you have to click on No and OK. And now when you go and import your video file, it will open up as an audio file. Okay, now comes the part of reducing the background noise. I recorded this video for the very purpose of this tutorial, so there is a lot of background noise in this video. I switched on the fan, I put the AC on full blast, and I sat in front of the AC to record this video so that you get to know about the effect. All right, so let's just listen to the video with the background noise first.
Welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project.
Okay, now the thing to keep in mind over here is that whenever you record a video or an audio, just keep quiet for the first 5 to 10 seconds so that your device registers the background noise. All right, you have to have a clear background noise, then it becomes easier for the software to detect it and remove it from the background. So if you notice this wave audio form, the high peaks are the times when I'm speaking, and this kind of a straight line is the times where I'm quiet, but it is a thick line which indicates that it is a background noise. All right, so let's play from here. I'm not speaking over here, it is just background noise. So what I will do is I will select this portion where I am not speaking. All right, and then I will go to Effect, Noise Reduction. Now what works best for me is this setting, that is a noise reduction of 24 decibels, sensitivity of 7, and frequency smoothing of 0. But you can but you can adjust this according to your preferences, but I think this is the ideal setting and this works best. So when you come over here, click on Get Noise Profile. All right, now go to Effects again, and again go to Noise Reduction and click on Preview. Now you will be able to hear that there is no background noise. Can you see? It is significantly removed. And check this out. This line is now a very thin line, which indicates that the background noise has been removed from this portion. Now to remove it from the entire file, you just have to select all of it, Control A, go to Effect and repeat noise reduction this time. Repeat noise reduction, and can you see the entire sound wave is now clean and devoid of any background noise. So let us hear the audio once again.
Welcome to my channel, the Mothership Project.
Can you notice the difference? So this is how you work with Audacity. After this is done, you have to go to File and Export as MP3, and you can, save it wherever you want to save it, and that is it. After this, you can integrate this audio to your video, and it will be without the background noise. Do let me know in the comment section if you want a video on how to integrate the audio and video, because if you normally just put these together, there will be a lag, so your audio and video will not be in sync because of the removal of background noise. So if you want a video on how to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro, I can give you a video on that. I hope this was helpful for you, and now you can make professional sounding videos, if not professional looking videos, with the help of Audacity. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and I will definitely clear them out. I will see you next week with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.